Hello everyone, welcome to Trading with Fun. In our previous videos, we recommended some amazing stocks. Like we recommended Ajmera at 98, it went to 140 in a week. Tata Chemicals 350, it went to 520. Alcala Mines 3000, it went to 4100. So, some amazing trades and various other stocks as well. And I've also told about Tejas Networks at around 90 rupees on my Twitter account. So, my Twitter followers would have known about this. It's now almost 150. So if anyone wants to follow me on Twitter as well, you can see my ID in the video description. I give many ideas on Twitter as well, and these will be live. So coming to today's video, so in this video I'm going to tell you about a stock which is at just 3 rupees, and my target is 10 or above. Yes, you heard it right. It's 10 target and the current price is only 3 rupees. That is, to put it in a simple words, if you invest 10,000 in it, then there is a possibility to get 30,000 profit, 3 times return, 300% return. So coming to this talk, I'll explain in detail fundamentals as well as technicals. So I suggest to not skip anywhere and watch carefully, as I'll also explain the stop loss, which is a very important thing which everyone must follow and must respect it. So if you skip the video, you might miss the stop loss or the fundamental part of this talk. So coming to this talk, let's see some fundamental analysis on this talk. I am opening the screener website, and the stock which I'm going to show you is JP Power. Just just let us see the previous two quarters results of this company, and you'll understand how the company is turning around now. So here are the quarterly results. So this is the September quarter 2020 and this is the June quarter 2020. See, if you see here, the company has been continuously posting losses, and in June it posted a 23 crore profit, and in September 45 crore profit. And I feel this is going to further improve from here on. So this is purely a turnaround company. And there are other positive things as well. So JP has huge assets. There is a lot of value to these assets, and the promoter is now ICICI Bank, and JP is no more the promoter, which is a good thing. And the debt restructuring which was planned is almost over now. It's completely done, and eventually ICICI will sell this JP Power to another company, as it's a non-core business for ICICI Bank. So the I feel the buyer will definitely buy it at a way higher price than the current market price. So these are the various positive things about this company from the fundamental perspective. Now let's also see the technical perspective, which is also the most important thing. So for this I'm opening the charting.com, JP Power. So let's see the weekly chart for better understanding. This is a free website, anyone can use it. Very easy to use. So I'm just drawing a very simple trend line. See, that's it. So if you just see this trend line, it made a high here and then retraced back to almost zero point 0.5, and then it went up till 3 plus and again came back, made a decent consolidation here, and look at this candle. Clear strong breakout. And the another most important thing, look at this volume. Huge volumes. So a very good breakout in my view, and my target is, I feel it will reach all the way till here. 9.5 to 10. So you can buy some portion around at current market price and add more in case if it dips to 3.5 to 3.3 kind of zone. So you buy around 3.5 and target 10 to 10.5. Almost 300% return possible. And what about the stop loss? That's the important thing. So the stock has consolidated a lot here. So my stop loss will be around this zone. I'll be exiting this if it goes below 2.4, 2.3 kind of range. So the overall summary, I'll buy around 3.5, 3.6 like that. Stop loss will be below 2.3, 2.4 and the target will be 9.5 to 10. 300% return will be my target. So hope I have explained in a very simple terms on both the fundamental as well as the technical aspects of this company. As a disclosure, I've already bought some quantity today. I'll be trying to add more in case if it dips. So these are my views on JP Power Ventures. Hope everyone likes the video. So in case if you have any doubts over the stock, you can comment on the video. I'll definitely reply to them. Stay tuned to our channel and also follow us on Twitter for more stock ideas. Thank you.